Hi everybody, Charlie here with the Recon Shop, and behind me we have a brand new Cadillac Escalade with a really nasty dent right in front of the driver on the hood. We're going to be fixing this today using Paintless Dent Repair. Paintless Dent Repair is the only way to save the vehicle's original paint job and keep a Carfax completely clean. In order for us to repair this damage, we're going to be removing the hood and securing it to a hood stand. This one's pretty far back there in that corner by the driver's side, and we want to be able to work it from the way the driver looks at the vehicle. Now we're going to go ahead and take it apart, get it secured to a stand. We're going to be using some heat because it's actually fairly sharp, and since it's on the hood stand, we're able to work it from different angles we can't get to when the hood is actually on the vehicle. This dent is pretty sharp, and it has quite a bit of scuffing on there and a bit of paint damage under it, so we need to buff that off and see what we're working with. Now that the scuffs are off, we can see how much damage there actually is to the paint. We are going to need to try and sand this to see how much we can save. Even though this paint is badly scratched, most of this hasn't gone all the way through, so we will be able to buff most of these scratches off. Now we can see there's really very little paint damage left. So really all that's left is to continue working this aluminum panel back to its original position. Using Paintless Dent Repair prevents this entire aluminum panel from having to be repainted and allows us to keep the vehicle's far superior factory paint job intact, preserving the vehicle's highest value. Well, if your vehicle has door dings, minor dents, or hail damage, and you'd like to find out if it's a candidate for Paintless Dent Repair, look us up at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. Thanks for watching.